Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. So, stay home and stay safe. In this pandemic, this is the best thing which you could do. Now moving towards our academics. Till now, we had 3 lectures of chapter The Enemy. Till now, we studied how the man, he started recovering because Dr. Sadao had operated upon that man, and now the man, American, he was recovering very slowly. Then we also studied that on the 7th day of the operation, all the servants collectively, they left the home of Dr. Sadao. Hana, she was not in the habit of working very hard, but still she managed to do the household work. And then it was the responsibility of Dr. Sadao, as the American was still in his house, so he tended his wounds. After making the man feel comfortable, after tending his wounds, then he decided to write a letter to the Commissioner of Police and inform about the prisoner of war in his house. But something in him stopped him from doing so, and he put that half-finished letter into his drawer. So now students, let's move forward. Students, now this is the 4th lecture of the chapter The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. So, after the servants they had left, Hana, she had to do unaccustomed labor of looking after the household chores. As the patient's condition was improving day by day and the confusion was mounting in Dr. Sadao's mind, what to do with the American? Suddenly, arrival of a man from the general's office unnerved Hana, but nothing was amiss. The general, he wanted to discuss his own health problem with Dr. Sadao. Sadao, confided in the general. Then the general understood Sadao's problem because he himself had studied at Princeton. But how could they go against the law? The general knew that one of those days he would need Dr. Sadao for his operation. He could not let Dr. Sadao be arrested and condemned. The general, he advised Dr. Sadao to combine 2 elements in his nature and dealing: German ruthlessness and American sentimentality. General Takima promised to rid Sadao of the American by sending his private assassins to kill him secretly and to dispose of the body also. 3 nights of anxious wait, but none came. Sadao had his ears glued to each and every sound occurring in the garden at night, but none came and nothing happened. Idle wait led a fresh plan in Sadao's mind. So he decided to make the man try for his safety and freedom. Thought of the island near his house, unguarded and easily accessible. He then equipped the man with both quilts, a cloth to cover his head and hair, a torch, and advice for survival. Sent him to the island, advised to wait for a Korean fishing ship, and asked for lift. Escape mission succeeded. According to the plan, the man escaped. After some weeks, General's emergency operation was done. Sadao, the surgeon, did the critical operation, which was an absolute success. Servants, they also returned soon after the young man's departure. Life for Sadao's family was normal as usual. General told of the escape of the US young man by Marine. Responsibility now laid on the general. It showed that now General was in the palm of Dr. Sadao. Now, standing on veranda, Sadao thought of some other repulsive peoples like professor of anatomy, American professor's wife, his own landlady at US, who was bit kind but repulsive. White but repulsive was the American prisoner of war. Now, strange, he thought. He was wondering that why he couldn't kill that American. That's it, dear students, in the whole chapter. I hope you might be clear. But still, if you feel that you are not comfortable, you have not understood anything, please feel free to ask. Thank you.